Forget working harder. Here's how to acquire, scale, and exit a profitable e-commerce business without lifting a finger. So if you're ready for a hands-free business that generates massive returns, keep watching. You're not here to grind away at building a business from the ground up. You want more profit, more freedom, more control of your financial future. But let's face it, starting something from scratch, it takes time, energy, and risk. And instead of taking on the hassle of building, why not acquire a high-value, scalable e-commerce business? One that's already primed for massive growth. Now, here's the thing. The most successful entrepreneurs aren't working 24/7 on a startup. They're acquiring profitable, scalable businesses and scaling them. Now, e-commerce sales are expected to hit $7 trillion this year. Now, top brands in the space are seeing exponential profits, but the secret isn't in the products. It's in the ownership of a high-performing business. This is where trendhijacking.com steps in. We don't offer you just another investment opportunity. We help you acquire real, profitable e-commerce businesses at below market value, scale them to 5 to 10x growth, and then sell them for 3 to 5 EBITDA, multiple. All without you ever getting your hands dirty. Here's how we do it. We find undervalued, high potential e-commerce businesses. We negotiate and acquire them at below market prices, setting you up for profit right away. Post-acquisition, we handle everything. Branding, marketing, operations, logistics. You do nothing. We scale them to 7-figure valuations using our proven systems. And when the time's right, we exit for a premium price, generating massive returns. Now, we've done this repeatedly, turning small e-commerce brands into a multi-million-dollar exit. Now, we've put our exact process into a step-by-step guide. How to acquire, scale, and exit a 100K business for 1 million plus in just 1 to 2 years. Now, if you're ready to skip the hustle and acquire a business that generates passive, hands-free profits, click below and get your free guide now. Discover exactly how to acquire, scale, and exit your e-commerce brands for massive returns. This is your chance to unlock the ultimate business opportunity without doing the hard work. Click the link now.